exactly 3:07 p.m., three of the government's best killers were sent out to go destroy this bird creature that has been attacking South Africa for the past couple hours.
Alright, men, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take that thing down. Ready? Break! Mission accomplished.
Victory was ours, but two very important lives were lost. We can remember this day as the day that the world was saved.
Blooper time! Yeah!
Victory was ours, but two very important lives were lost. We can remember this day as the day that the world was saved. Tom, you messed it up. Victory was ours, but two
Very, very, very.
lost.
Oh.
Victory was ours, but just have to look on your face. Victory was ours, but two very valuable lives were saved. I mean, saved. Wow.